Another question we get quite a lot from people is the apartments, the living situation. Like, what's your tips? What's your advice for people there?
So basically, you're going to be sharing, most likely, depending on who you are, you're sharing with one other person in your room. And then you've got six people to an apartment. But the apartment itself is nice. We had a gym, a swimming pool. It's a beautiful place. It's the sharing with the person that might throw people off initially, because if you're not used to that, that can be something to get used to. It's just about respecting each other's boundaries with the person that you're sharing with. Like, get to know them, have a conversation if you need to. And I know that you try to put people in that are kind of on the same wavelength, like early morning people or people that like, to party or whatever it is. You kind of try and engage everybody in what their aim is. And it's just having a group conversation in the house. If there's something that's bothering you, you need to speak to somebody about it and don't let it fester. Now, I was lucky. We didn't have any trouble at all in my apartment, and I didn't really hear of too much. I feel like Amanda and Marisol, they're there and they step in. If there's a problem, they're ready to fix it, which is nice.